We got our earliest start for this adventure, getting up just at sunrise and heading out on our way to Offatts Bayou. The reason for the early start was the wind forecast was supposed to pick up in the morning but be dead calm by the afternoon. We also need to beat a closure in the shipping channel between Houston and Galveston that's scheduled for later this afternoon. One of our goals is to scout a route between Offatts Bayou and Galveston Harbor. Next week we'll be sailing on the Tall Ship Elissa that is based in Galveston Harbor, and we were thinking about spending another night down in Offatts before heading over to Galveston Harbor for that adventure. This is Patricia, and I'm Dave. During the summer of 2020, we traveled to French Polynesia for a sailing vacation. We had such a great time that we decided to buy a sailboat when we returned. Our new Jeanneau Sun Odyssey 440 arrived in April of 2021. Watch as we outfit and upgrade Cavu, learn to sail first on the Texas coast, but eventually the world.
Okay, we've never been out this early. I'm losing my headset, sweetie. Got out of the channel, so I lost the headset. So yeah, it's really pretty in the morning. Look at that. And there's a lot more birds out here. Right now we're motoring up the Clear Creek channel. We might have to motor a little bit more too because the wind is pretty light today. So what's the plan for today, sweetie?
Fun on the bay.
The bayou.
We're going down to Offatts Bayou, but we're going to be on the bay today.
Yeah. The wind is officially dead. One of the main reasons I wanted to get up so early was try to catch it. How are we supposed to sail in 0 knots, sweetie?
That's why we have diesel.
Motoring isn't fun. I want to sail. So I'm just going to drink coffee. Lots and lots of coffee. 0.0. That's flatlining. The wind has officially flatlined. Still haven't got the sails up. Still not enough wind. But at least the coffee's really good. The new coffee maker. And there's all sorts of things to look at. It's actually a very scenic area. See, way over there in the distance, we have the very beautiful oil refinery of Texas City. Back over here, we have the redneck Riviera of San Leon. And back there, we have Charisma, our buddy boat. And there's all sorts of ship traffic today. This is the same barge we came behind.
Yeah.
So that's the barge we've been following. And there's seagulls. There's been some dolphins. Sunrise. But no wind. There's the wind. Finally shows up. And there's the Anchorage over there. Knew it. Looks like somebody ran aground over here on the sandbar. Maybe we'll try to do a rescue mission later.
No.
Yeah, where'd that sandbar come from? I don't remember it last time.
Well, they turned in the channel.
They probably try to come here in the dark. All right, Anchorage is wide open. We're gonna get prime Anchorage slot here. I guess it's still a little too chilly for most boaters. But hey, good for us. Where are you thinking? Right there, like in front of the pyramids?
You want to go up and get the anchor ready?
I will.
Alright, so we got burgers on the grill, dinghy all ready to go. This is our view of Moody Gardens. Got somebody who decided to beach their boat. Patricia has the chairs all blown up.
I'm all jacked up on Mountain Dew! After 2 cups of espresso, or should I say mugs, 2 mugs of espressos. We don't play around here on Cavu with our coffee. We go espresso.
Yeah.
Because I like my coffee like I like my men. Strong and rich.
Don't say that, people think I have money.
Yeah.
Or I'm strong.
Strong and comfortable. Or comfortable and comfortable.
How about I got a job in a 401k?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the front yard today. Our buddy boat, Charisma. All right, it's that time of year. It's finally gotten warm enough, and we have our first bikini sighting of the season.
I'm trying to work on this tan. It's all over the place. Some parts is non-existent. Some parts is really starting to get dark. Struggles are real. A good husband will always blow up your paddleboard for you. That's how I know he's a keeper.
Hey, somebody was asking what I did for exercise. This is pretty damn. This is cardio.
Yeah. Weights. I forgot how to paddleboard.
All right.
It's like riding a bicycle, right?
Remember, you stood up on it. Remember, you did it in French Polynesia.
Yeah. I just have to get away from this dinghy.
All right, I got the dinghy.
Okay.
All right, you're off.
All right.
And this was the last time we saw Patricia. Hey! And you may want to paddle into the wind, so you have the wind coming at your back, coming back, so you don't get tired and I don't have to go find you on the dinghy. The Blaze Grill back in action for the second time today. Oh yeah.
Smoking.
Chicken thighs. These are going to be great. Got Dave's barbecue sauce for them. We love traveling with John and Shannon from Charisma. They're a lot of fun to be with. Unfortunately, it's views like these that have added to my to-do list, and now I must uplight my mast.
So it's the next morning. Of course, where's Dave? He's in the kitchen making breakfast. And where is Patricia? She is outside doing her Pilates routine.
Alright, so going out to investigate a disastrous boat wreck. Since our last visit to Offatts, it seems a number of wrecks have popped up, so we decided to do a little tour around. I believe these were all victims of a recent storm.
This is exciting. We're coming up on the wreck. The island seems to be mainly inhabited by birds. Alright, another shipwreck. Over there, the ship on the rocks. Offatts Bayou is dangerous. What do you think?
Yeah,
Dangerous?
It's dangerous. So one of the things we wanted to do was a very adventurous dinghy ride from Offatts Bayou over to Galveston Harbor. Leaving from the red dot there at the bottom of the map, we're going to go around and we want to check out the drawbridge that's circled on the map right there in the top center on our way over.
Are we there yet?
No.
We might have miscalculated the distance to the Harbor House Marina from Offatts Bayou, because we've been on the dinghy now for it feels like an hour. I'm sure it hasn't been that long, but this is far. I'm thinking maybe when we sail on the Tall Ship, we're just gonna come down the night before and go straight to the Harbor House Marina. But this has definitely been a learning experience. What do you say?
I think we're gonna come down the night before.
Okay, we're coming up on the bridge that's been giving us anxiety about going this route. And it looks scary. It's narrow. You gotta call the tower to have it lift up.
Yeah, how high are the power lines?
Yeah, there's power lines above it.
Windy right here.
Oh yeah, there's definitely a current. Woo! Ah! Woo! Soakage! Oh man. Good thing I got these shoes on. Wow. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, we're sinking! Oh, slow down. Oh, this is too much excitement. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Wow, these waves are big. Yeah, this current under this bridge, this is scary, honey. That is narrow, and it has this current. I don't know. And then the power lines are questionable with how high they are. Good investigating, good investigating. This is why it's good to investigate first. And then who knows what that yellow stuff is over there? What the heck is that? That is like bright yellow. Sulfur? Oh yeah, that is bright yellow. Huh. Yeah, you think if it was sulfur, we'd be smelling it. See, this is the kind of interesting things you don't get on other YouTube channels. A close-up view of industry by the water. Only here on Sailing Cavu do you get these scenic views of mystery yellow stuff coming out of the ground. Okay, coming up on the cruise ships here. Looks like it's Carnival Dream is here. And Choose Fun. Can't tell what that one is, but it says Choose Fun on the back. And then, woo! Craze. Is that for launching rockets? Oh, that's an oil rig, not a rocket launcher. Yeah, I see it now. Might feel if a rocket launcher was more fun than an oil rig.
Here we get our first glimpse of the Elissa. She is a 3-mast Baroque built in 1877, and hopefully next weekend we'll get to sail on her in the Gulf of Mexico. We will be parking Cavu right next door in a nice concrete line slip that's going to test Dave's docking ability. Lots of action on the strand. And our dinghy ride back to Cavu that day was just as adventurous as we also extended our fuel.
Oh boy. There's that wind I was looking for. And there's some white caps out there. Yeah. Dave?
We need more practice.
We do need more practice. That was a little scary this morning.
Yeah, we hit 9 knots, which is our new record.
Yeah, record speeds. I think we're out in record wind, record waves.
And it's really choppy, lots of traffic. It's definitely a busy morning. Busy enough to put the vest on.
Yeah. So we both have our life vest on. We almost lost a line. We've almost ripped the sail. We almost capsized.
We ain't capsized.
It felt like it. We were this close. I swear we were that close. Pretty sure we almost got ran over by a couple of the barges. Yeah. Fortunately, we didn't have any video rolling of it, but that's a quick summary. Definitely need more practice. I don't know how other YouTubers just buy a boat and then go straight into the ocean. This is all because Dave has to work tomorrow and we couldn't wait for a better weather window.
Don't sail with the schedule.